These mini yam rings are actually a recraft of my favorite Chinese New Year dish. I made it bite-sized so that everyone can have an equal share of my wonderful creation. 恭喜发财，大吉大利! Hi everyone, my name is Jordi. You are in for a real treat today. I'll be sharing with you my favorite Chinese New Year dish, Abundance Mini Yam Ring. Since young, my family will have our Chinese New Year dinner at a house nearby Zicha. We will order a lot of dishes and I actually like all of them. But the one that I truly love is the golden yam ring, 佛婆飘香. I can finish one all by myself. The yam dough must be moist enough so that it doesn't disintegrate during deep frying. So make sure you add in enough water. This is the consistency you want to achieve. I use cornstarch to shape the yam ring. This makes it easier to shape and my yam ring will be crispier too. To achieve desired crispiness, I use Knife's premium cooking oil and heat the oil to 200 degrees. What I like about this oil is that it enhances the fragrances of my dish. It has no cholesterol and is trans fat free, very important for middle-aged men like me. Okay, here's the last step. Heat up 1 tablespoon of oil and stir fry all the ingredients for a good 5 minutes. There you have it, my special Chinese New Year creation, Abundance Mini Yam Ring. It symbolizes overflowing fortune and lots of good luck. Gotta eat more this 2019. Here's wishing everyone 恭喜发财，金玉满堂，好运到你家，发啦！